In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booklet using Google Docs. We'll go through each step to ensure you can easily follow along and produce a professional-looking booklet without any hassle. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to open Google Docs on your preferred web browser. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll start by opening a new document. This is where the magic begins. A quick tip. It's always a good idea to name your document right away to keep your Google Drive organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Next, you'll want to set up your document for booklet formatting. This involves adjusting the page layout. Head over to the File menu at the top left of your screen. Click on Page Setup. Here, you have the option to change the orientation of your document to landscape. This is crucial because it allows you to fold your pages later to form the booklet. You'll also want to adjust the page size. Typically, booklets use a standard letter size, but feel free to choose a size that suits your project. Now, let's dive into the margins. It's important to set your margins to a minimum, especially if you want your content to fill as much of the page as possible. In that same Page Setup dialog box, input your desired margin sizes. A common setting would be 1/2 inch, or you can customize them based on how you want the final document to look. After setting the margins, click OK to apply your changes. With the layout set, it's time to start adding content to your booklet. You can type directly into the document, or you can copy and paste text from other sources. This can include chapters, sections, headers, and even images. To enhance readability, consider using different font styles and sizes. Google Docs also offers a variety of formatting options, so take advantage of them to make your booklet visually appealing. Layout consistency is key in booklets. To maintain a consistent look, use page breaks to separate chapters or sections. Simply place your cursor where you want to start a new page, go to the Insert menu at the top, select Break, and choose Page Break. This helps in keeping your content organized and ensures each part of your booklet starts on a new page. Once your content is in place and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to save your booklet in a print-ready format. Head to File, then Download, and select PDF document. This format preserves your layout and can easily be shared or printed. Make sure to review your PDF to ensure everything looks great before printing. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a booklet in Google Docs. With these steps, you'll be able to produce a polished and professional booklet with ease. Thanks for watching and happy bookmaking.